For more than 30 years working in major neurological centers across the United States, there has been one issue that has never stopped weighing on my mind. Many of my patients over 60 do not suffer from insomnia because of daytime anxiety. They fall asleep quickly. But then, right around 3 o'clock in the morning, the brain suddenly wakes up completely. The heart starts beating faster, the chest feels tight. The mind becomes alert in a way that makes no sense. What is shocking is that modern science shows this is not a normal part of aging. Studies at leading American universities have found that people who regularly wake up at this hour have abnormally high nighttime cortisol levels, a biological response similar to survival mode. Here is the paradox. Most people who experience this are doing everything right. They eat healthy, they walk every day. They avoid coffee in the evening. They take their medications, as prescribed. Yet their sleep remains fragmented. Over time, they begin to believe their brain is declining in a way that cannot be reversed. The truth is very different. After the age of 60, the nervous system and adrenal glands no longer maintain a stable biological rhythm like they once did. When the brain does not receive the right nutritional and chemical signals at night, it activates stress hormones to protect itself. The important thing that very few doctors explain to patients is this. Your brain is not attacking you. It is responding to imbalance. And the good news is that this balance can be corrected with very specific evening choices. Modern nutritional science has identified foods that can calm cortisol, stabilize blood sugar, and keep the brain in deep sleep throughout the night. In this video, I will share evening foods that research shows can help people over 60 stop waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning. If this is your first time watching this channel, please subscribe so you do not miss important health knowledge for older adults. And now, let us begin with the first food that can change your sleep starting tonight. Food number 8. A small ripe banana before bed. Many people over 60 wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning without realizing that the root cause begins with something very small. An imbalance of minerals and nerve signaling at night. When the body lacks potassium and magnesium during deep sleep, the nervous system sends an emergency signal to the brain. The brain mistakenly believes the body is in danger and immediately releases cortisol to wake you up. A small ripe banana is one of the rare foods that can address this issue naturally and safely for older adults. Bananas provide highly bioavailable potassium, which helps stabilize heart rhythm and calm electrical nerve activity during sleep. At the same time, bananas contain natural magnesium, a key mineral for activating GABA receptors. This is the brain's braking system, helping it shift from alertness into deep rest. What is especially important is that bananas contain tryptophan, an amino acid the brain uses to produce serotonin and then melatonin. When melatonin rises at the right time, cortisol is forced to fall. This is a natural biological rule that younger bodies handle well, but after 60, it often needs support from the right foods. A nutrition study in the United States found that when older adults added tryptophan-rich foods in the evening, nighttime awakenings dropped noticeably within just a few weeks. Bananas are especially effective because they also provide a small amount of natural carbohydrates, enough to prevent early morning blood sugar drops, one of the most common cortisol triggers in older adults. The method is simple. Eat half to one small ripe banana about 60 minutes before bed. Avoid large bananas or pairing them with refined sugar, as this can raise blood sugar and then cause a rapid drop. Bananas are best eaten alone or with a small amount of healthy fat to slow absorption. For many people over 60, this single, small change already leads to more continuous sleep and fewer sudden awakenings at 3 o'clock in the morning. But bananas are only the beginning. The next food acts even more powerfully on sleep hormones and the nighttime nervous system. Food number 7. Pumpkin seeds. There is a truth that very few people over 60 are clearly told. Many cases of waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning do not begin in the brain, but from years of mineral deficiency. When zinc and magnesium run low, the nervous system loses its ability to keep the brain calm. The result is a sudden switch into alert mode in the middle of the night, with a spike in cortisol. Pumpkin seeds are one of the rare natural sources that provide both zinc and magnesium in a ratio well suited for older adults. Zinc plays a critical role in melatonin synthesis. When zinc is low, the body cannot maintain stable melatonin levels throughout the night, leading to early morning awakenings. Magnesium directly supports GABA receptor function, helping the brain shut down excess stimulation and maintain deep sleep. Nutrition research in the United States shows that most adults over 65 do not meet daily magnesium recommendations, even when they believe their diet is adequate. This explains why many people fall asleep quickly but wake up suddenly a few hours later. Without enough magnesium, the brain cannot sustain rest and relies on cortisol as a backup. Pumpkin seeds also contain natural tryptophan, helping maintain a stable serotonin-melatonin cycle. Unlike heavy, oily nuts that can irritate digestion, pumpkin seeds are relatively easy to digest when consumed in proper amounts. This is especially important for older adults with sensitive nighttime digestion. The effective approach is a small handful of dry roasted, unsalted pumpkin seeds about 60 to 90 minutes before bed. Avoid overeating, as excess minerals can also cause discomfort. Pumpkin seeds can be eaten alone or paired with a small amount of warm milk to enhance magnesium absorption. Many people over 60 notice a clear difference within just a few days. Deeper sleep, fewer startle awakenings, and most importantly, the 3 o'clock hour gradually becomes quiet again. But to maintain that stability throughout the night, the brain needs a special type of protein, which the next food provides. Food number 6. Full-fat cottage cheese or ricotta. Many people over 60 are advised to avoid cheese at night due to digestion or heart concerns. But in clinical practice, I have observed the opposite. Completely removing cheese often deprives the brain of a critical stabilizing signal at night, triggering cortisol in the early morning hours. Full-fat cottage cheese and ricotta contain a special protein called casein. Casein digests very slowly. Instead of spiking blood sugar and then dropping, it releases amino acids gradually over many hours. For the aging brain, this signals safety. It tells the brain the body is still nourished and does not need to activate stress hormones. After 60, many people wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning for a silent reason. Blood amino acid levels fall too quickly during the night. When the brain senses this drop, it releases cortisol to wake the body and search for energy. Casein blocks this mechanism by keeping amino acids stable, preventing nighttime cortisol release. Cottage cheese and ricotta also provide highly bioavailable calcium. Calcium is not only for bones, it plays a direct role in nerve signaling. When calcium levels are steady, nerve transmission becomes more rhythmic, and the brain can maintain deep sleep more easily. Combined with natural fat, digestion slows even further, extending the stabilizing effect through the night. The appropriate serving is about half a cup of full-fat cottage cheese or ricotta, eaten 60 to 90 minutes before bed. Avoid low-fat versions, as they digest too quickly and do not provide the same cortisol stabilizing effect. If you are sensitive to lactose, start with a small amount and observe how your body responds. Many people over 60 find that adding cheese in the right way eliminates nighttime restlessness and sudden alertness at 3 o'clock in the morning. But to act more directly on the gut-brain axis and stress hormones, the next food plays a key role. Food number 5. Full-fat Greek yogurt with ground flaxseed. Many people over 60 do not realize that nighttime sleep is strongly regulated by a system outside the brain, the gut-brain axis. When gut microbiota are imbalanced, the brain receives distorted signals and releases cortisol even without real danger. This is why many people fall asleep normally but wake up suddenly around 3 o'clock in the morning with unexplained restlessness. Full-fat Greek yogurt is one of the few foods that directly influences the gut-brain axis in older adults. Probiotics in yogurt increase GABA production, a neurotransmitter that slows brain activity and suppresses cortisol. When GABA is strong, the brain recognizes safety and continues deep sleep. Neurological research in the United States shows that improving gut microbiota stabilizes brain regions involved in emotional regulation and stress response. This becomes increasingly important after 60, when the gut-brain barrier becomes more sensitive to inflammation and blood sugar fluctuations. Ground flaxseed plays a critical supporting role. Flaxseed provides plant-based omega-3 fatty acids that reduce neuroinflammation and lignans that stabilize nighttime blood sugar. When blood sugar does not drop in the early morning hours, the The brain does not need to release cortisol to wake you. Flaxseed must be ground. Whole seeds pass through undigested and provide little benefit. The yogurt should be full fat, as fat slows digestion and prolongs hormonal stability for hours. The effective method is about 3/4 of a cup of full-fat Greek yogurt mixed with 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed, consumed 60 to 90 minutes before bed. A small amount of raw honey may be added if needed, but avoid sweetened yogurts entirely. If this is your first time watching content like this, please subscribe now. We share health information specifically designed for people over 60 that is difficult to find elsewhere. When the gut-brain axis is calmed, sleep becomes deeper. But to control cortisol even more powerfully, the next food targets sleep hormones and essential minerals that most older adults lack. Food number 4, tart cherry juice and magnesium glycinate. If you regularly wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning with an unusually alert mind, your body may be lacking 2 nighttime essentials: natural melatonin and magnesium. When both drop, cortisol takes over and pulls you out of deep sleep. Tart cherries are one of the few natural foods that contain bioactive melatonin. Unlike synthetic melatonin pills, tart cherry melatonin comes with plant compounds that help the brain absorb and use it gently. Tart cherries also contain anti-inflammatory polyphenols that reduce hidden inflammatory signals that trigger cortisol at night. Sleep studies in older adults in the United States show that those who consume tart cherries in the evening not only sleep longer, but also experience fewer early morning awakenings. This happens because melatonin and cortisol are biological opposites. When melatonin rises at the correct time, cortisol must fall. Magnesium glycinate is the second essential piece. After 60, magnesium absorption declines significantly, even though magnesium is required for proper GABA receptor function. Without magnesium, the brain cannot sustain relaxation and uses cortisol as compensation. Magnesium glycinate is preferred because it absorbs well and is gentle on digestion. The effective method is 1 small glass of unsweetened tart cherry juice combined with magnesium glycinate at an appropriate dose, taken about 90 minutes before bed. The juice should be room temperature, not cold, as cold liquids can stimulate the nervous system. Avoid drinking too close to bedtime to prevent nighttime bathroom trips. For many people over 60, this combination alone leads to more continuous sleep and fewer false stress awakenings. But to fully prevent nighttime blood sugar drops and inflammation, the next food acts as a nutritional foundation. Food number 3, wild salmon and sweet potato. There is a specific reason many people over 60 wake up in the early morning hours. It is not only hormones or nerves, but the combination of low-grade inflammation and nighttime blood sugar drops. When the brain senses unstable energy, it activates cortisol even when waking is unnecessary. Wild salmon directly addresses this mechanism. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, DHA and EPA, which have been shown to reduce neuroinflammation and calm the stress response axis. When inflammation drops, the brain stops receiving false danger signals and cortisol no longer spikes at 3 o'clock in the morning. Salmon also provides natural vitamin D, a nutrient that many older adults in the United States lack. Vitamin D influences circadian rhythm and sleep quality, not just bone health. When vitamin D is low, nighttime cortisol rhythms become distorted. Sweet potatoes balance this meal by providing slow-release carbohydrates that stabilize blood sugar for hours after dinner. This prevents early morning glucose drops, one of the most common cortisol triggers in older adults. Sweet potatoes also contain beta-carotene and soluble fiber, supporting liver function during the night. When the liver processes hormones efficiently, excess cortisol is cleared more effectively and does not accumulate enough to wake the brain. The effective approach is to eat salmon and sweet potato at dinner about 3 to 4 hours before bed. Use a moderate portion of salmon and 1 medium sweet potato, adding a small amount of natural fat, such as butter or coconut oil, to slow carbohydrate absorption. Avoid eating too late, as nighttime digestion can backfire. For many people over 60, adjusting dinner in this way leads to deeper sleep without hunger or sudden alertness. But to act quickly and directly on the nervous system, the next food functions like a calming switch before bedtime. Food number 2, chamomile tea, raw honey, and L-Theanine. There is a critical transition period before sleep that the aging brain must complete. If this shift is incomplete, the brain remains lightly alert and easily triggers cortisol in the early morning hours. This is why many people sleep for a few hours but wake up at 3 o'clock with a strangely alert mind. Chamomile is one of the most studied calming herbs for the nervous system. It contains apigenin, a compound that binds to brain receptors involved in relaxation. When apigenin acts, neural stimulation slows and the brain moves toward deep rest. This is especially important after 60, when nighttime overactivation becomes more common. Raw honey is not just for sweetness. A small amount provides steady glucose to the brain during sleep, preventing the liver from releasing cortisol to compensate for low energy in the early morning hours. This mechanism is often overlooked but critical. L-Theanine completes the formula. It increases alpha brain waves, commonly seen during deep meditation and high-quality sleep. When alpha waves rise, cortisol naturally falls, helping the brain stay asleep instead of reacting to false stress signals. The effective method is warm chamomile tea, not too hot, consumed 45 to 60 minutes before bed. Add a small amount of raw honey and take L-theanine at an appropriate dose. Avoid drinking too close to bedtime to prevent nighttime awakenings. Many people over 60 find that this simple ritual alone allows deeper sleep without early morning disruptions. However, to fully retrain a stress response system that has been misaligned for years, the final food is the most foundational of all. Food number 1. Golden milk with ashwagandha and black seed oil. If there is one combination that can fundamentally change how the aging brain responds to nighttime stress, it is golden milk with ashwagandha and black seed oil. This is not just a sleep aid. It works directly on the stress control center that determines whether you sleep through the night or wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning. Ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb studied for decades. Its unique value for older adults lies in its ability to regulate the HPA axis, the system that controls stress responses. When this axis becomes overactive, cortisol is released at the wrong times, especially at night. Ashwagandha helps retrain the adrenal glands to release cortisol only when needed. Golden milk acts as a calming base. Warm milk activates the parasympathetic nervous system, signaling safety to the brain. Turmeric and ginger reduce low-grade inflammation in the brain and nervous system, a hidden trigger of nighttime cortisol in older adults. Black seed oil elevates this formula further. It contains compounds that support GABA production and help the brain maintain deeper relaxation. When GABA functions properly, the brain no longer needs to wake the body with cortisol in the early morning hours. The proper method is to drink warm golden milk with ashwagandha and black seed oil about 60 minutes before bed. Drink slowly, in dim lighting, allowing the brain to clearly receive the signal that the day has ended. Effects often strengthen over time. After a few weeks, many people report deeper sleep and calmer mornings. This is not a temporary fix. It is a way to retrain a stress response that has been misaligned for years. When the stress axis is corrected, the 3 o'clock hour stops being the enemy of your sleep. Waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning is not the destiny of aging. It is a signal that your body needs proper support. When nighttime cortisol is controlled, the brain stops waking you for threats that do not exist. The foods you just heard are not tricks. They are tools to restore a natural biological rhythm disrupted over time. You do not need to change everything at once. Start with one simple choice tonight and observe the difference. When sleep is restored, daytime energy, memory, and emotional balance often improve as well. If this content helped you understand why you wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning, continue following our future videos. We focus on science-based health solutions designed specifically for people over 60. Subscribe so you do not miss information that can truly improve your quality of life.